So I'm standing under a light. We just popped outside. We're all checked in for dinner. And the rain has started. You can really feel that humidity now. It's not raining too hard at the moment. I thought it was raining hard, but it was like a little waterfall when we first came out. But yeah, we're all quite hungry now. We were talking about it earlier. All I've had today is that Amarilla milkshake, S'mores milkshake that I had at, where were we? Beaches and Cream. So I'm ready to
Can I get out the umbrella?
No, it's just you're not going out in it.
How it works, this is our reservation, and if you click on it, it gives you the option to check in now, which is what we've done. So we're all checked in, and then they will just send us a text when the table's ready, and then we'll get seated straight away, which is really easy. We are sat at our table. I'm going to pan around. Really nice restaurant, and we've just been told that they have the largest selection of wines outside of South Africa here, which is pretty interesting. We've just been brought some hot towels. Xander looked a little bit nonplussed by it, but it was nice. It's a nice start to experience. There's a nice feel, nice ambiance. There's a nice feel in here. I'm looking forward to this meal. This is the restaurant. We're up on another level. It's like a half level, and then that's all the wines over there. Let me zoom in. Can't really see. So yeah. It's nice. Just taking a look at the wine list. I'm not sure what we're going to have, to be honest, but we'll give it all a go. Our server Anjela is really nice, and she's very knowledgeable, and she told us that the largest hidden Mickey
In the hotel.
in Disney World. The largest indoor hidden Mickey in Disney World is here in this restaurant, and we found it. So if you don't want to know where it is, look away. It is in the ceiling right here. I don't know if you can actually see it because it's so dark in here, but that's it. Starters have arrived. Xander's got a garden salad, so he's pulling the tomatoes out, so he's got a lettuce salad. I got the duck confit flatbread.
So far.
Wonderful.
Good, yummy.
I'll give you time to taste it and I'll be back.
And wild boar tenderloin. Yeah. What's wrong, Xander?
Serious. Some serious
You're just making me laugh more.
What's that noise?
I can't stop it.
You okay?
No.
You look like you're about to cry.
Stop filming.
Why?
He's
Stop.
with food in his mouth. And he's got his hand up there.
He's trying to swallow. He's trying to chew and swallow.
You're just making.
You're not doing anything.
We're not doing it.
You laugh and making me.
Okay, I won't laugh. Straight face.
I'm not as good with the straight face.
Right, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the face that I'm pulling to make him laugh. Apparently it's funny.
I don't get.
Look at me, I'm out of it.
Our mains have just arrived. I went for the filet mignon.
Before it's too late.
Okay, I got to look at Xander before it's too late. He's got the cheese stretch. Okay,
When will this?
I got the filet mignon. It smells out of this world.
Because it's probably from a
And what did you get?
The
Short rib.
short rib.
Oh wow, that looks like it's just falling
Yeah, it is.
apart.
Yeah, it is.
That looks good. That smells good as well. We're heading for our second bottle of wine, so we're doing good. So I have the milk tart, which I'm really looking forward to. Xander's got the African shield, so he's got a brownie with ice cream and a shield that he's going to paint with his edible paint.
Yeah, right.
And it's like Anjela, our server, just said, It's the only time you ever get to lick your paintbrush. This is my child. We've just finished an absolutely fantastic meal at Jiko, the cooking place. Everything was amazing. We had a 3-course meal, which is something that we absolutely never do. Although it probably helped that all I've had today is an Amarula milkshake. Rich, you know that Guinness advert? The music. Can you let me finish this, please?
Okay.
Anyway, as I was saying, we've had a fabulous meal. It's been really good, hasn't it? Xander ate a plate full of lettuce. Our server, Anjela, was outstanding. So if ever you find yourself at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and thank you. If you find yourself at the Animal Kingdom Lodge and you're going to go to Jiko, the cooking place, ask for Angela as your server, because she was absolutely outstanding. The meal was good. The meal was good. The meal was fantastic.
Have you met the head chef?
And we met the head chef as well. He came out and had a chat with us. But the service, it made an outstanding meal spectacular. On that note, here endeth. me
Hi, everybody.
Me and Rich are the ones that have been drinking, by the way. My 9-year-old has not been drinking. This is just normal.
No.
Yeah, normal, as he says. On that note, this was our vlog from Jiko. Thank you for watching. Do your bit.
Leave a like and subscribe and hit that notification.
See, he can't even do it with a straight face.
Leave a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for a reminder if we post any new videos.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It really helps us out.
That's totally worth it.
We've just had a lovely meal out, and now we're in the laundry room folding laundry.
5 to 11 at night.
5 to 11 at night. Are we going to be up at what time? 6 a.m. Woohoo!